All right, it's Tony and Mike in the morning. You guys are at 20 degrees. We have a little bit of sunshine at this point, but we're in the freezer for the next 3 or 4 days, maybe no relief until on Friday. Keep it here to WACC 600 for more details. Thanks for having a second cup of coffee here with us this morning. With us here in the studio, Dr. DeJesus. Dr. DeJesus is a long-time advertiser here, a good friend of the station's, and it certainly is a pleasure to have him here in the studio. How you doing, my friend?
Doing great, Tony. Thanks for having me today.
Well, it's a pleasure to have you here. Now, I saw you move from Stratford to Shelton. How is all that going?
Yeah, so our second location, where we were in Stratford for approximately 4 years, we just moved to a new location, a new space in Shelton at 770 River Road, right next door to the Sports Center of Connecticut. Mm-hmm. Our patients love it. They followed us. All of our Stratford patients followed us because they know that quality dental care is a constant no matter which office we're in. So love you to come down and check it out.
Sure, I'd love to do that. And believe me, this guy is dedicated to his craft. First thing he said, shook my hand, when was the last time you went to the dentist? So he asked me that right off the bat. I hope I'm not spilling the beans here, but somebody told me about your new Smile Back campaign. Can you tell us what that's all about?
Oh, so you're a little bit premature with the announcement, but since you brought it up, so we're going to share a little bit about, because we're really passionate about what we've got going on. It's called the Smile Back campaign, and the essence of Smile Back for us as a dental practice is it's all about empowerment, right? It's giving the patient power to smile, right? Look, we all have challenges in our life, from work to parenting, beyond. We know the power of a smile, so we're helping to empower people, look at their challenges, smile back, take action, give them some confidence, tell them, if they feel like they're missing out or finding someone in their life, if they can't get a promotion or they can't get a job, knowing that a powerful smile can help them gain that confidence to look back. And just so we're clear, Tony, we as dentists, we're just an instrument, right, for our patients. We're known as the transformationalists. We give them the power so they can have the confidence to smile, and we love it. We love what we do. The patients come back, they tell us they're so thankful, and with their promotions and the success they've had just from the power of a smile, which is, it's crazy. And we just tell them, look, it's not about us. They made the decision to do it. We are just the tools to help them get there.
Well, you can't be confident and you can't be happy if, your teeth are bad or whatever the case is. I mean, when you smile, you want to get out there right in people's face and show them what you're all about. And when your mouth isn't working, that's part of the problem.
It's funny. You could notice people when they're not confident in their smile, right? Mm-hmm. They close their lips, they put their hand over their smile, sure. And that's a distraction, right? So we want people to have the confidence and show who they really are, because the smile tells you who you really are.
Oh, absolutely. And it's so important to go visit your dentist, every few months. I don't think people realize the correlation between your health and what's going on with your teeth and your gums.
Yeah, the research is overwhelming now. The correlation between especially gum disease and systemic diseases like cardiac disease, diabetes. Now there's some research with Alzheimer's. So It's important. It's important to maintain your dental health.
All right. We're talking with Dr. DeJesus. He is a well-known dentist here in our area. We're going to give you addresses. We're going to give you some information or where you can find him on the internet. Last time you were here, you were coaching several different teams. Are you still doing that?
Yeah, 15 years now. I'm coaching youth sports, from baseball, basketball, even a little bit of football. I'm served on board of directors of local little leagues. I love it. I've been helping youth. I had 4 children, coached pretty much all of them in all the sports, and they went on to be successful student athletes. Also, I got involved with promoting and giving away free professionally made mouth guards for athletes in our local little leagues and some of the local high schools. So we donate mouth guards that are professionally made in our office to help prevent a lot of injury, because when I first started coaching, I started to see a lot of oral and mouth injuries. And I said, wait a minute, so charity should begin at home, so let me start giving these kids some really good mouth guards that they'll wear. Because the professionally made ones are a lot more comfortable versus the ones you buy in the store that you boil and bite into.
Sure.
And so we've been doing that for probably the last 10 years or so, and it's been very successful and hopefully helping prevent a lot of injury.
Wow. Okay, that's wonderful. You got to keep that in mind, absolutely, especially if you got children that play. As a dentist, what's the one thing that you would share with our listeners today? The one or two things that you would tell them.
All right. So thanks, Tone. First thing, listen. Find a dentist. If you're looking for a dentist, find a dentist that has solid experience that you trust and a connection that you feel with. Right. Go to the office. Have a consultation, see what the office vibe is like, see what the staff is like, read their online reviews. You can learn a lot from just a consultation. And secondly, and I got this from one of my nearest and dearest patients, and I'm going to paraphrase here, even if you need a ton of dental work, right, the process eventually comes to an end. So the big investment in time and finances, that all comes to an end. But it leaves you with a whole life filled with confidence and empowerment. So sure, it's important to maintain your regular cleanings like Tony does every 3 months, very good. But the major stuff gets over pretty quickly, so don't get paralyzed by the short term. It's the long-term gain in restoring your dental health that is the big win. And also, if you have any anxiety, we understand that, right? Dentists are usually here to help. You can stop by our office. We'll explain your options. You can take advantage of our new patient special, which we have going on now. We're making an introductory offer this month, the best it's ever been, because finances shouldn't stop anyone from having top quality dental care. So we're looking forward to patients coming to visit us at our new Shelton location too, which is a beautiful little office right there next to Sports Center.
All right, sounds good. Doc, we've run out of time,
Okay.
but is there a website folks can go to?
Sure, DeJesusDental.com. Check us out. And we have the Smile Back campaign going on. And if you can come in before the end of March, you're going to take advantage of some major specials we have going on.
Okay, and I want everybody to know you can go to our website. The Good Doctors promotion is right there on our website. And I tell you, it's a good deal. So check all of that out. Anything else you want to hit?
Just have a great day, Tony.
All right,
have
you
a great
too.
day.
That's Dr. DeJesus. Once again, give us those addresses where you're located.
Okay, we're at 770 River Road in Shelton, and we're also at 4131 Main Street in Bridgeport, just south of the Trumbull Mall.
Dr. DeJesus, I thank you so much, and it's a pleasure to see you again.
Tone, thanks for having me.
All right, anytime. We've got 9:16. We'll check traffic and weather coming up next.